Hey, this is Jose. I'm going to show you a couple things I'm working on here. First, this is a Damascus blade. Got some really nice stripes in it. It's pretty thick. It is a little bit past 1/4 inch, and thinner towards the front, and I tapered the tang, so it goes from pretty thick to thin on the back. Background, this piece is a 10-inch drive wheel that I just got from my grinder. Picked up 2 of them. Let me grab a second. Second one, 5/8 shaft, 10-inch drive wheel for a belt grinder. Put the surface feet per minute at about 9,000. I think, yeah, about 9,000, 91, 92. Which is pretty fast. That'll shred some steel off pretty quick. The monster drive wheel. The standard drive wheel is 4 inches, which is this size. Kind of get an idea of the difference there. It's 4-inch, that would give you 3,600 or 3,450, and the 10-inch would give you 9,000 surface feet per minute, 91. Haven't done the math exactly. I know it's pretty close to there. Okay, so here is some koa that I stabilized. It's kind of rough sanded right now, but it'll be really nice once it's all buffed out. Okay, this is a knife that I took out of the ferric chloride when I had neutralized it, washed it off really good, and now I've got it sitting in some vinegar. I didn't buy this brand, it was in the kitchen, so I grabbed it. I'm gonna have to replace it, of course. So it's kind of interesting. You can see the bubbles rising on the blade, and it's rising right where the temper line is on it. I didn't do a full heat treat on it. What I did was heat treated the blade, and the spine is soft, and it is letting the vinegar work pretty heavy in the area where that line is. Let me show it to you. So it's a really cool pattern. You can make out the temper line on it. That's where it goes from a hard steel, probably about 60 Rockwell, to a soft spine. Give the blade a little bit more flex. Same thing on this side. I'll put it right back in. It's almost done. And got a bunch of other stuff I'm working on. But that's about it for today. Thanks for watching.